Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Right about now, this is Zia, and today is the day, man. Today is the day I'm gonna reveal my new motorcycle. It's been almost a couple of months since I sold my Can-Am Riker, and I've been searching ever since. I had a couple of dream bikes I wanted to get, and and I finally got one. I know you guys know from the title what kind of bike I got, but still, I'm going to show you what kind of bike I have right now. I'm so excited to show this to you because I've been searching, and I finally found it. And without further ado, here it is. Oh yeah, this is the 2021 Harley Davidson Road Glide Standard. Perfect. Yes sir. So let's look at this baby of mine. This is the 2021 Road Glide Standard. It's with the 107 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine. For those of you who want to know what it's in cc, I believe it's like 1753 or something like that. So 1.7 liters, and it comes with these beautiful wheels, Brembo brakes. I was going to get the vivid black because black is it's easy to get parts and accessories that are already in painted black, but when I saw this color, this is like a darker red. It's called the billiard red, and it's basically the 3-ball in billiards. That's the same color they put on this bike. So it's called the billiards red, and I love it. I mean, I saw this thing, I was like, you know what, I like it better than black, and I was gonna get the black. I had my mind set on the black color motorcycle, but I figure I'll try something different. This is something you don't see on the road as much, especially this darker red color. So I went ahead and pulled the trigger on this, and yeah man, this thing is expensive. I have never purchased a bike which is this expensive. This is the most expensive bike I've purchased, and this is by no means the most expensive Harley. I mean, they have a 114 cubic inch with blacked out version, which is closer to like 29-30 grand sticker price. I mean, cool thing about Harley is that you can negotiate the sticker price, and the buying experience is just like nothing else when you're buying at a Harley Davidson. I mean, there's no disappointments, let me just tell you that. But yeah, this thing comes with these huge bags. I've already got some stuff in there. I got this from Tennessee, so I rode it back to Atlanta area. It's about an hour and a half or a little bit over. So huge touring saddlebags, which I wanted. Really comfortable seat, although it is a little low for my liking, but I might change that out. But that's the thing with Harleys, right? Here comes the mods. I mean, I've promised myself I won't spend as much money on mods as I did on my other bikes, but I just don't. I don't know who I'm fooling. I was just telling my wife that, and I don't think I'm fooling her either. But the first things that will go is the pipe. These pipes don't sound like a Harley. They're very muted, and I get that it's because of regulations. So I'm gonna get the DBX 45 pipe from Reinhardt. That should make it sound really, really meaty. And I just love this color. I mean, it's amazing. It's not a perfect bike, but it is my dream bike, and I'm just so lucky and blessed to be able to afford and buy my dream bike. This thing has some goodies too. I mean, I didn't get the RDRS because they didn't have one in the showroom, so I said, you know what, forget it. I spend the money on Billiard Red and a couple of other things instead of RDRS. I'll just have to use my wrist as my traction. It does come with, the cool part is it you know, it had the upgraded Boom Box GT, I think it's called, and that's really cool. This one has the Apple CarPlay as well. It has your navigation in here. It's not ready, please wait, but it's got a navigation. You can connect your phone. You know, I haven't even played with the settings. I just got this and it's been parked. This is the first time I've actually been able to turn the camera on and show you guys what I got. So it has this really nice looking map, and of course you can you know, it's got Apple CarPlay integration. You've got two cubby, you know, kind of glove boxes here, and there's the cable there to connect to your iPhone. I don't think it has Android Auto yet. I have an Android phone, but anyway, you can connect that via Bluetooth. Another cubby hole, 12-volt outlet. So yeah, I mean, and it's got LED lights up front. The headlights are just so cool, you know. I love these headlights. Those are obviously just the parking lamps that are on. And there's a look at the LED lights. So, you know, there's obviously plus and minuses. So you've got your LED lights here, but everything else is just halogen. The brake lights, the turn signals, but you know, I guess we'll be changing a bunch of stuff out, you know. So 103 miles. I put most of those miles on when I was riding it back from Tennessee, and I wasn't even able to do a first ride video, but I guess I'll just do my first ride video on, you know, first ride on video in the next one. And this is really cool what they've done. This is called the docking hardware, and you can attach without tools, just attach like a sissy bar or a luggage rack, or you know, add some other accessories on there. That makes it really easy. But yeah, I mean, I just love this bike. I mean, it's just, you know, it's always been my dream bike. I was so intimidated by this and you know, all of that, because it looks like a spaceship, right? I mean, this is like the Enterprise, you know what I mean? And I didn't even test ride one. I was so intimidated. I was like, I'm not gonna test ride it. Let me just buy it and then I'll figure it out. The moment I sat on it and let the clutch out, I was like, wow, that whole big fender is in the fairing is a non-issue, you know what I mean? It's like it's nothing. If you're worried that, oh, this is too far away or you can't see the road, trust me, I've never owned a bike with a fairing like this ever. I've never owned, this is the most heaviest bike I have owned ever. This is like somewhere if not a little higher, it's about 850 pounds, and I've never owned a bike this heavy or with a fairing like this. I mean, if you just look at it, you know, that when you're sitting down, it's like I can't see the road or whatever, but you don't realize that you're always looking up ahead. You're never looking down there. So it's such a comfortable bike to ride. And a couple of things I'll be changing, and I'll kind of do my research on that, like the seat. This antenna is probably the first thing that's going to go. That's a cheap fix. And these handlebars, they're a little too far pulled back. They just seem like they are you know, they kind of make me feel like I've got T-Rex arms. And I know you probably heard that a lot, but yeah, I mean, you know, it's got cruise control. That's my first bike with cruise control, so you know, ready to do some long trips on this thing, man. I don't know. All right, guys, so that's a quick look at the Harley Davidson Road Glide 2021 Billiard Red. There it is. Ain't she a beauty? She a beauty. What do you guys think? You guys like the color? Let me know in the comments below. Anything I missed on the initial walk around, just ask me any questions you have. There's a million videos on Harleys out there already, but you know, if you have any questions about the bike particularly, let me know. And in the upcoming videos, I will be I'll be talking about some more things on the bike that initially I didn't mention. But yeah, that's about it. That's my new bike. I hope you like it, and stay tuned for more videos. There's going to be a lot more videos of the bike, me and the bike, and a lot more riding videos coming up. I know I've been without a bike, but now that I have one, I'm excited to get back on the saddle. So I'll see you guys there on the road. Please hit the like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and until next time, be safe.